How to block someone on Zelle or Zelle Pay. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can block someone on Zelle. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. First things first, what you'll have to understand is to block someone on Zelle. You can easily delete them from your recipient list within your bank's online banking or the mobile app, effectively preventing them from receiving payments from you. So here's a more detailed breakdown. Access Zelle first with your bank's online banking or mobile app. You want to navigate to the Zelle within your bank's online banking portal or mobile app. Then you want to locate the recipient list. Then find the section where you manage your Zelle's recipients or contacts. Choose the recipient you want to remove or delete and then edit remove. Now you won't be able to get any option to block, so you'll have to remove them simply. Zelle itself doesn't have a direct block feature. Instead, you are essentially removing them from your ability to save payments or send payments. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.